So I ordered myself one of these, I don't know how to pronounce it, Kaiweets soldering station, and it's a KETS02 model number. Um, but I really don't want to do a review on it right now, but I will do a review tomorrow or later on. But I wanted to actually talk about the replacement tips for it. So it came with 6 tips, and right now there's only 5 of them here because uh, I have one inside the box, but it doesn't matter. And this is how the tips looks like. Okay, and over here I have my TS100, right? And you loosen up this little screw right here on the top and pull it out. And when you compare these two, they have the same length and same distance for the connectors, which is inside the DS100. And if you shove that in, it doesn't come out even if you don't tighten up the screw. And it works. I just tested it. As a matter of fact, I'm going to go ahead and grab the cable for it and plug it in. Okay, and you'll see that as soon as I turn the power on, uh, it will start heating up. And it's right now at 200 degrees, and be pretty quick at 300. There we go. Okay, so I'm just trying to make this look better. So I'm looking at the screen, but anyway, it works. It's hot, and you can see that the color has changed. Maybe not. It's this lighting. Maybe it's. But the first time you turn it on, it kind of gets kind of almost like a little goldish color because the stainless steel is heat up, and that's where the most of the heat is generated, and then the tip, of course, absorbs that heat. So, but as you can see, it's working, and it's at 450 degrees, and it works just fine the way it is. I'm going to go ahead and unplug it and put it in a holder so I don't have to hold it in my hand. And I went to Amazon and I looked up these tips, and you can get like 10 of them for $27 or $28. And so if you don't want to buy this Kaiweets brand, then you can just go get yourself a replacement for Hako. The pronunciation I don't know for sure. The Hako is basically a very well-known brand, and all of these are probably made in the same factory. And the only difference is between the TS100 and and these, which came for this unit, is that there's this little metal piece in here, but I think that's just a design, and I don't think that it really does anything important. So, but anyway, you can replace these and pull these ones out, because if you buy one of these, it's like $12-14. So that's very expensive. And if you buy 10 of these on Amazon, and I'll put it in the description of where I found it, then you can buy actually like 10 of them for $27.99 or $28. So that's a very, very good deal. I did not know if it's going to work or not, so I tested it earlier and I soldered with it and stuff, and it really works. I don't have any problems with it whatsoever. It has the correct temperature. If not, if you have a thermometer that measures the exact temperature of the tip, you can. There's a menu where you can compensate in the TS100 and adjust it there. But I'm pretty sure it's going to work just like mine. It's close enough, let's say that way, for me at least. I usually overheat my soldering iron a little bit more than most people. Most people will probably solder from around 300 some to 380, and I usually get them all the way to maximum, which is the TS100 goes to 450, and this unit goes to 420. So I'll make a video about this unit. Uh, that's going to be my next video. But for now, I want to thank you for watching, and have a great day again.